Traders who don't understand price action are essentially gambling with their finances. Here's how I know. Hello fellow traders, I'm Trader Tom with over a decade and a half of experience, as well as the founder of Simply Forex Trading Academy. I'm opening the doors to just 20 ambitious traders for my elite weekly masterclasses, where you get the chance to join an inner circle where ordinary traders turn into market experts. Dive deep into the art of price action trading across 4 intensive sessions. You'll emerge with ability to spot high probability trades, execute with confidence, and achieve consistent gains. Secure your spot immediately. Don't miss this exclusive opportunity to kickstart your journey. Can't wait to see you in class.
Hello traders, Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you understand the charts. Today is Thursday the 6th of June, and as always guys, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades, and if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm also going to give you my trade ideas for today and the important news for today as well. Stay tuned. Let's start with yesterday guys, and we were looking at a couple of yen pairs. The first one was Aussie dollar yen. All right, and this, I'm showing you this one because this is a trade that I got into, right? And you can see price was in an uptrend, okay, stopped making higher highs, right? Always a red flag, and then price comes shooting down, right? With this big red candle here, we had lower lows. It broke this level here, all right, and we're below the moving average 20. So we're in a downtrend. We were looking for sells. If we drop down to the H4 now, you know, you can just see how much of a retrace this had. Yeah, and this was, you know, I would put this partly due to the strength in the indices, right? There's a correlation there. If the indices are strong, yen is weak, right? So we've had this huge retrace and push back up, but for me, it's still at a really nice level here. Okay, and then once price got in here, yeah, I was looking for an M15 structure breakdown. We also got a H1 structure break. Yeah, kind of. So if you look at the H1, we had the break of this low here, right? And if we look at the M15, we go back over here, we clearly got this structure break here. So I was following M15 structure, and then bang, right? We got the broke of this level. Yeah, I started selling here. Now I've put my stop above these swing highs in here. Okay, and as you can see, you know, I use a hedge guys, but if you use a stop loss, it's just got taken out. So 2 things here, you know, in hindsight, right? We, you know, should we put our stop above the last high? Because this is the H4 high. But as per this strategy, we put it above the M15 high. All right. So you can see I've just got hedged. But because of this bearish reaction, I just got out of my hedge. So we'll see what happens, guys. And I've moved my stop loss or hedge back up to here. So unsuccessful trade really guys, but I'm trying to, you know, hedge my way back into this trade. So that's Aussie dollar Japanese yen. But yeah, if we look at the H4 guys, you know, even if we get a nice bearish H4 candle, this could well be worth selling today. So that was Aussie dollar yen. We was also looking at euro yen. All right, exactly the same idea. Obviously, these pairs are highly correlated. It's all about yen strength. And we were in this uptrend. Again, stopped making higher highs, and then price crashed down. We broke this low here with this nice big bearish candle. Again, we're below the moving average 20, like a carbon copy of Aussie dollar yen, right? And then again, on the H4, all day yesterday, you know, we've had this, you know, massive retrace, right? But we are still in a H4 downtrend. Now look at the candles we've been getting, right? Super bearish. And I'm actually in this trade at this level. Okay, I actually entered this morning, right? So we shall see. But, you know, just look at these H4 candles. You know, sellers are in control at the moment, you know. Excuse me, guys. And we want to take price, you know, potentially all the way back down to these lows. So that's euro yen, but yesterday it didn't give us a trade. Yeah, because also, if we look on the H1, I was looking for a H1 break with this. Yeah, it got to this level, and this level just kept holding, and then bang. Finally, we got a break. When I woke up this morning, we had a nice retrace. I'm now in this trade to take it lower. So that was euro yen. So yesterday, no trade, but this morning, we've had a setup. And then the only other trade from yesterday was euro US dollar. And the US dollar pairs have just been like, that is a technical term. Yeah, it's just been, I'll show you in a minute what I mean. But daily chart, yeah, we were looking to buy, right? We were in this uptrend. It did become a downtrend at this point, but then shot back up, right? And then this bullish candle breaking all these highs made it an uptrend. See how quickly trend changed there. And ever since then, just look at these bottom wicks, right? So, price, but there's buyers at this level. And hence, look at it coming up as we speak, this green candle. And we wanted to buy this. But let me just show you the H4, guys, right? It's just become, you get a candle like this, a nice big bullish H4 candle, followed by a big bearish H4 candle like that. And that sums up euro US dollar yesterday. It was tricky to get into. On the H1, we did actually have a break, but there was some news coming out, right? And then look at that, bang, bang, but now we're back up to here, broken this level. Maybe interested in this if we get a retest and then we come higher. But yesterday, no trade. All right, guys, so those were the trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my trade ideas and analysis every single day, then please come join the channel. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Smash the notification button so you receive an alert. And if everyone could please smash the like button. Merci beaucoup, danke schön, shukran. Right, trades for Thursday, the 6th of June. Before we get started, guys, let me just mention a few things. So first of all, if you haven't joined our community yet, then please do so. We've got like-minded traders sharing knowledge, ideas, experiences. So come join the free Discord channel. You just create a username and we let you in. It's as simple as that. Secondly, guys, right now we are giving you free access to the VIP Trading Academy. All right, it's free. In there, I give you all of my trade signals plus other expert traders giving their signals. You get access to all the tutorials that I've created and things that I've learned over the years, and you get direct access to me should you need help with anything. All right, so come check that out. Also, on the 24th of June, we will be launching our beginner masterclass, okay? In there, you will learn everything to do with price action to the point where it will give you the confidence to find high probability trades and pull the trigger. If you think you need that, check it out. We've only got 20 seats available, so it's a first come, first served basis. And that is also free if you take advantage of our promo. And then finally, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, then you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there's many perks for doing so. Check it all out. Also, don't forget, live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get all your questions ready. We'll take a look at the live charts. Right, trades. So it is deja vu today, right? I still like the yen pairs. All right, so Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, we are in a downtrend, right? Breaking these lows, big bearish candle. Now, I know we had, a bullish-ish candle. It had a bit of a top wick. But if we compare this candle to this candle, right, it doesn't tell me that buyers have taken the control of the market. Because of this candle, sellers are still in control. Not only that, it's literally at the moving average 20, which, as we know, is really nice dynamic resistance in this case. All right, so we're still looking to sell for all of those reasons. If we drop down to the H4, it's become a bit of a H4 play. So, first and foremost, if this candle ends up looking something like this, right, then this is a a good opportunity of a H4 trade. Yeah, enter here, stop up here, take price lower. Okay, that would be a H4 trade. However, if we look at the H1, there's also this level through here. So you can see this level has become important. You know, we could wait until we get a break. Let's say price does this, and then we get a break of this level. All right. Once we get a break of this level, I will also be happy to sell this as well. All right. So, yeah, a couple of ideas on how to trade Aussie dollar yen. Also, still interested in euro yen. I like CAD yen as well. Yeah, if we look at the day chart, yeah, I like CAD yen. That's retraced to a really nice level here. It's just this wick here that perplexes me. But I like CAD yen, but I prefer euro yen and Aussie dollar yen. Now, again, yeah, similar to Aussie dollar yen, we're in an uptrend, stopped making higher highs. Then price came crashing down, breaking these lows, yeah, with a nice big bearish candle. And again, you know, yesterday's candle is a bullish candle. There's no getting away from that, but it's not as bullish as this is bearish, right? And we've got this slightly top wick. And both of them are inside candles. So this candle, yeah, this candle is within the previous candle. Now, if you get a break of this high, not interested with an inside candle. But if this high holds intact, yeah, very interested in, you know, keep selling euro yen. All right. If we drop down to the H4, so I'm in this trade, guys. I've entered this morning, right? H4, yeah, right. We're waiting for bearish reaction. Got it. Bearish reaction. You know, even this candle's bearish and then bearish. Okay. Also, what I like is the H1, yeah, because we have broken this level. Yeah, we was waiting for a break of this level, yeah, and then bang, we got it. I got a slight retrace. I've entered in here, yeah, with a view to taking price lower. My stop's up here. So I'm already in this trade, guys. All right. And as with all of my trade signals, I put them all in the VIP Trading Academy. So there you go, guys. I'm in this trade, euro yen, you know, and I also like the fact that look, this has come below the moving average 20 now. And again, like I said, a bit of deja vu, guys. Euro US dollar. Okay, I'd be interested in this if the following happens. Right, so we're in an uptrend. Okay, bang. Yeah, this candle created an uptrend. Yeah, we started to get higher highs. Right. Price has retraced, and then just look at the bottom wicks on these candles. You know, buyers were holding this level, and then just look at the reaction we've had. All right, so I still think there's room for euro US dollar, even if it's just back up to these highs. Now, if we look at the H4, what I want to see is the following, right? So actually, let's start with the H1. So on the H1, you can clearly see that this level and even this high has been broken with this candle. Okay. However, right, if we go back to the H4, I want to see a H4 break of these highs. Okay. So if this H4 candle, you know, remains above this last candle here, nice bullish candle, I will be interested in buying this. And then if we go back to the H1, if that does happen on the H4, I'll wait for a retrace into here, maybe the moving average 20, yeah, bullish reaction, and then we'll look to buy euro US dollar. Yeah, and yeah, well, what else was I looking at? No, that's it for today, guys. All right. So yeah, those are my trade ideas. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Thursday, the 6th of June, guys. Before I get started, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, check out all the promos we got at the moment in the video description, and come join us for the live stream at 8 a.m. New York EST time today. Itchy ear. Right, news. There's the big daddy news, right? But before the big daddy news, we have got at 9:30, we have got construction PMI coming out of the UK. All right, so this is more of a 3-star rating and could move any pound pair. And then, like I say, it's all about the big daddy news. Yeah, we've got the ECB interest rate decision, but also along with that data, you get the monetary policy, the marginal lending, deposit facility rate. So all of this together is mega news. All right. So they're looking to reduce interest rates. So, the Bank of Canada yesterday reduced its interest rate. The ECB is also looking to do the same. So yeah, this is obviously going to move euro pairs. If we carry on down at 1:30, we've just got a slew of US dollar data. Yeah, the most important initial jobless claims, but all of this data together is like one big mega 3-star rating. So must be aware of that. And then at 1:45, this is just as important, if not more important, than the actual interest rate decision itself. Yeah, so the ECB press conference, they discuss how they arrived at the interest rate, forecast, projections, questions about the state of the EU, etc. Right? So this is super important and also can make the euro super volatile. I'd also mention this 3 o'clock coming out of Canada. We've got Ivy PMI that can move Canadian dollar pairs. And then at 3:15, we've got the head of the ECB, Lagarde, speaking. So again, she could move the euro. All right, guys. So yeah, there you go. That's the news for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the vid. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you later for the live stream.